You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome along. We're here to help you cut through all the noise in tech and design. There's just so much out there. Our job is to grab the really important bits for you nice and quick. So today we're looking at how social platforms are changing like crazy, some pretty cool AI tricks, and some AI faceplants too. And of course, we'll touch on some design choices, good, bad, and baffling. Okay, let's get into it. Right, kicking things off, Character.AI, they've just launched what they're calling the first ever AI native social feed. So picture your usual feed, but it's got AI characters and scenes mixed in with stuff from real people. The idea is you're not just scrolling, you're actually creating too. You can sort of remix stories, build on what others have made, uses things like chat snippets, avatar effects video, basically text, images, video all mashed up.
Yeah, and it's fascinating how that connects to what other platforms are doing, like Instagram. They seem to be pulling back towards being more social,
Yeah.
focusing on real connections. They've added that map feature with consent, obviously, and brought back reposting posts. It feels like a real shift away from just videos pushed by an algorithm, though some people are still worried about privacy, even with the controls.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And this whole rethink about what social is, it's hitting dating apps too. Tinder's apparently planning a big redesign. Their paying user numbers dropped, 7%?
Ouch.
Yeah. So they're going after Gen Z with these new modes. Like, are you looking for something serious or just casual? College-specific options too, plus more AI matching, and you'll be able to specific bits of someone's profile, which is kind of neat.
Little details matter.
Exactly. Match Group's revenue is flat, but they expect things to pick up, investing $50 million in new stuff.
So at the end of the day, they're all wrestling with the same thing, aren't they? How to keep people engaged, how to stay relevant. They're all chasing this idea of authentic connection. But here's the twist. Authenticity now seems to include AI. It's strange. They're trying to make things more human, but also more AI-driven. What does that even mean for interaction?
It's a good question. Okay, let's broaden out to AI generally. Heard about digital twins? These are generative AI models that basically simulate individuals to predict what they like, how they'll act.
Wow.
Yeah, the potential for research seems huge, right? Filling in survey gaps, maybe shorter studies, predicting population trends. But, and it's a big but, you immediately run into major ethical questions. Consent, privacy, misrepresentation. It's tricky.
Absolutely. And beyond those big ideas, there are, more practical AI tools popping up, like Namelix. It uses AI to generate short, catchy business names. Pretty handy. And Rourke, that uses AI and React Native to build whole mobile apps, cross-platform ones, shows how efficient AI can be for, actual creation.
True, but AI isn't all-powerful yet. We found this surprising thing. Really advanced models like GPT-4 Mini and Gemini 2.5 apparently did pretty badly trying to identify fonts. Just, looking at images of fonts from daftfont.com they hadn't seen before seems basic, doesn't it?
It really does. And
Yeah.
it shows that, these LLMs are amazing generally, but they still trip up on specific real-world visual tasks.
Yeah.
It's a good reality check,
Yeah.
AI still has its limitations, its blind spots, it's not magic.
Right. Okay, shifting gears to design. How it impacts us every day. Let's start with a miss. macOS 26 icons. It was quite a backlash, wasn't there? The Finder icon, the Macintosh HD one.
Oh, yeah.
People were saying they were inconsistent, visually cluttered, just not clear. Apple went for this new layered glass look, that uniform squircle shape.
That rounded square thing.
Yeah. But it often made things look blurry, apparently. And third-party apps that didn't fit just got these, gray boxes, not great for usability.
No. But then, on the flip side, you see really thoughtful design making a difference. Like Nihilo's Esther rum. They use optical illusions, unexpected design choices, made rum feel fresh, culturally relevant, not just old cliches. Or bouquet serves by Waka Thought. Really playful identity, warm cafe vibe, but also practical bottles. Memorable and useful. That's good design.
So, putting this all together, what does it mean for the people actually building this stuff? Looks like UX hiring managers in 2025 are going to be looking beyond just pretty interfaces or knowing the tools.
Right.
They want strategic thinking, problem solving, skills like user research, data analysis, AI literacy, knowing about AI accessibility, collaboration. Those are becoming key.
And that connects back, doesn't it? It shows there's a real demand for designers who think deeply about the impact of the tech, not just how it looks, but how it actually affects users, how it works within these complex systems with AI and changing social norms.
So quite a journey today, from AI social feeds trying to be more real to annoying icons, and what skills matter next in UX. It really hammers home how fast everything moves and how hard it is to make tech that actually truly works for people.
Yeah, what's really striking is just the speed of change. Platforms, designers, everyone's constantly adapting or trying to. And this whole conversation around AI, what it can do, what it can't, plus the need for really considered design, it keeps asking that core question: how do we actually build digital spaces that are innovative, sure, but also genuinely good for us? What bits of all this rapid change stand out most to you thinking about how we connect and create now?
Spoken Tech for your ears.